The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma. Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, northwestern Carter County in southern Oklahoma, northwestern Murray County in southern Oklahoma, southwestern McClain County in central Oklahoma, until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles southwest of Dibble to 8 miles south of Lindsay to near Velma to 3 miles north of Addington, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Falls Valley, Purcell, Lindsay, Comanche, Maysville, Ray, Dixon, Elmore City, Wayne, Velma, Washington, Valley, Katy, Foster, Tatum's, Bradley, Loco, Ratliff City, and Addington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, which may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.